Hello guys and welcome back. Today is 1st November 2024 and in this video we will discuss about Forex account management service and I will show you the today's results of our account management service. So guys, this is my master account and this is Xnest broker account and I'm using this account as a master account and all other clients accounts are linked with this master account. So guys, today I have traded two setups on gold and this was our first zone for selling and this was my entry point and the stop loss was at this point which got hit, and this was our second zone for selling and this was my entry point and the stop loss was at this point and the take profit was at this point which got hit, and on the both setups the risk was 1% and our target was 2%. So we lost 1% on one trade and we made 2% on second trade. So guys, the overall today's profit is 1% and we are closing the day with 1% profit. And today I made 1% profit on the master account. That's mean on all the clients accounts we made 1% profit. Now I will show you some random clients accounts where you can see same 1% profit with same stop loss and same take profit. So guys, this was a short video about today's results of our account management service, and hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video.